a socio-political group, Atonlos Initiatives, in the southwest region of Nigeria, has urged Ondo State House of Assembly to legislate on laws that will engender socio-economic benefits for citizens, rather than settling unnecessary political scores. The chairman of the group, Otumba Akin Akinbobola, stated this while addressing newsmen on what he called the state of affairs of Ondo. Akinbobola said it was very unfortunate that the All Progressives Congress (APC) in Ondo State did not appreciate the power to serve, entrusted in their hands by the people of the state. He said that the people of the state would not hesitate to move against the legislators if they did not refrain from politics of bitterness that had put the state in a bad light in recent times. Akinbobola said the lawmakers should see the level of protest in the town, as people were hungry and impoverished by the level of poverty in the land, only for them to be pursuing politics of bitterness with an impeachment move against the deputy governor. Gradually it's building up, it will degenerate, so we want Ekeredolu to come back as a father to stop all this. They are using Ekeredolu's ill health to destabilize Ondo State. There is hunger in the land, there is anger in the land. Ekeredolu should come back to Ondo State and ensure that governance starts. Everyone is culpable, except the judiciary. They should stop this power play already. We needed to speak up, rather than work for the people. They have embarked on internal power play due to the vaulting political ambition of very few elites at the expense of the entire state. He said. Akinbobola noted that the group was happy with the return of Governor Oluwarotimi Ekeredolu from his medical leave, urging him to, as a matter of urgency, relocate to Akure to oversee the state of affairs. Ekeredolu's long absence from the state has given room for a lot of political unrest, shenanigans that are anti the people, especially at these crucial difficult times. Failure for this Ekeredolu government to put its house in order will lead to reactions by the people of Ondo State against the two arms of government, because the people are getting choked with their dirty politics and there is anger in the air, he said. Meanwhile, the coordinator of the group, Mr. Sholom Olesini, said the decision of the deputy governor to approach the court underscores the importance of due process and the rule of law in democratic systems. Impeachment processes should always adhere to established legal procedures, ensuring transparency and fairness. Eyadatuwa's legal action suggests a desire to challenge any potential procedural irregularities or constitutional violations that may arise during the impeachment proceedings, he said.